Barrister, no get good afternoon. I agree the full house.
Yes.
Una good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
For me, I go. Me, I talk.
Yes.
Okay. Now Greece I did before. Greece now I did before. So now because of child problem, now make me come ask. Not be say I know the see man for that side though. But they ask me say they won't buy trailer head. They won't buy trailer head. Whether I not get favor for husband, this will not be saying a man and husband now they look for. Now I just okay, me I just see come ask, and during that time I can't lost my father, I lost my senior brother. Now say me I just dey come ask wetin I come dey do. You know say when you dey abroad, you go be like say you no just come know wetin again, nothing dey sweet you again. Now say me I just pack me I come ask, and truly as I just come. Na so I just say take him. Na so I take it where I born. Come. I know see my baby. I will send the picture. Na so I take him. So the money we I fit get, I dey save am before for more than it don't dey go 4 years now. If you don't pass 4 years, me I no lie. So the money wey I get everything, I don't use everything finish. Now to go back. So I don't need small favor. Now make me call a pinoge. Hello?
Wait, how many years you don spend for Nigeria?
The document where I get before now 10 years. Where the time I take home, it remains 6 years.
As in, how many years you don't spend for Nigeria, 9 years?
I don't spend more than 4 years.
So what you come make you believe now say your document never expire?
The document it never expire. No, it never expire.
What you just display to us now. First, you need to send me when you live in Greece. Which city you stay for Greece?
I don't fair talk to Sister Rita. Sister since she dey hear Greek, me and you don't fair talk. Athens nowadays, Athens.
Where for Athens?
Athens nowadays, Kalogreza.
Kalogreza for Athens.
Athens.
So
me and you both do contact marriage before, so we not come there again because of this speaking matter.
You say wait, according to your explanation, it's not 6 years.
10 years, now 6 years I take on, but now 10 years I get before. I can't spend 4 years.
So how many?
I can't spend 4 years.
How many months you remember make your document expire?
I don't want me to expire because I don't take for Nigeria. It still remain here some months. So,
okay, still remain that year and some months.
It still remain here 2 months. Because I don't take. I'm not supposed to take like that because me no person tell me say I'm not supposed to take like that.
Okay.
And wetin still make me as wait be say I want my baby still grow so that when I dey talk to her she go know say na the mommy dey talk to her. Na make we still stay like that.
Which tribe you be?
Na Binovia do hipa.
Who direct you come my platform?
Who direct me? Na your number na I see. Na number I no lie one of my direct me ga leru ni gwali yobo because even ya airway because we yobo now we venu ya gwan because we were soft mind. Who ash ne avema you know they use they use a ash mind for people they really need favor. They use ash word for them, they insult them. That make me come.
Okay.
Me I just do me because I for don't consist now say make I dey sure because the place where I want stay I don't already see where I want stay. One of my friends I will stay for 4 to 5 months for there before I go get my own apartment. I say make sure of that one first. That one don't already settle.
Madam,
I dey hear pa. If you want me, I give you my dog. If you want me, I still show you the document. When I reach us, I'll show you because now outside now the person help me do one. I go forward all of them. Can't give you for WhatsApp.
Listen, show camera. Our followers.
she never reach 1,000. She no official follower.
But you know say that the way I call you. That the way I call you. Say me, I go find person get TikTok. So that person just help me do one. Make her they use TikTok.
But you
Now
never reach
YouTube
1,000
and WhatsApp.
followers. But you never reach 1,000 followers.
I know there. I no dey aware of all this say I want to reach 1,000 follower or 2,000 follower. I no know. As I wan go now say me I quick comot because I don too tey. Nípa ni make na dey yagwale winner. Me I see comot go find work.
Where your family members?
Family members. Epa, you know say when you don still tey for Nigeria, family members dem no even send you too much like that because where I come I dey help. So when they see say nothing dey na family member dem no too send you like that.
Okay. If everything wey dey tell me na true, how will you the ticket?
Epa, you know what go happen. Make I not say make we come the house. When I reach us now, my document I go send everything
How
for
much for
WhatsApp.
Yes, I go see.
The time we fair ask, they send at 1.2. If they go up, they come down. Sometimes it go be 1 million. Sometimes it go be 900. Sometimes it go be 1.1. The thing they go up. So I want me I don't buy at that after Easter. Now I want come out.
Okay. We go fit buy the ticket.
Now after Easter, because of my baby, me I for put am for school.
Now, since na agree to dey go, we go fit buy the ticket.
If I need to arrange something, you know say don't still tell where I dey, or you let me keep the money. When I don ready, you go buy me the ticket.
No, you no understand. Me no wan send you the money. You help me buy the ticket.
Yeah.
Lagos, Nigeria to Greece.
Yes, when I don ready, you go hold the money, go help me buy the ticket.
How much you get?
If I may go rock back. Because of penny, you don't sit where I see the Nigeria. Even you go
now you are your pikin now.
I don't know. I'm not sure whether you not go see her. Come, Uma, come. I'm gonna do one. I don't know whether you go see her.
Hold on, your pikin will not get document. I want to follow you go Greece.
No, she won't follow you go Greece.
No, she not dey go. She not dey go, Epa. She not dey go.
Larry, she not dey go Greece. What you want to leave your pikin for?
I'll leave her with my auntie. Now because of I said that I'll leave her with my auntie. Me I for go work. Me I can't carry her because I know feel live and take.
How old your baby dey now? 4 years.
He dey 4 years. I'll still send you the picture and everything.
Where your baby
for
papa?
WhatsApp.
Where your baby papa?
Epa, the way you know say you ask me say whether I not get money. I be get money before. Now the money now my baby papa still carry travel. Me never hear of am. Now so I feel call Sister Rita.
Your baby papa. May you fair wait first. I know say you don't fair call Sister Rita. Wait. I know the platform you did now. Not be Rita.
I know. She still ask me now. I still tell her.
I know wash am.
Okay. Now last year.
Ask her. They say Rita don't donate money for who be Rita. They say Rita don't donate money for.
Rita the man
yes, Rita no.
How much she donate for you?
You know, I tell you 450,000. We I take go Abuja before for the visa before, but you not come work out.
So how we want to believe now? Say this one we want to give you now.
Epa, this one now, I don't. Wait till make me see the. Wait till make me say wait ever since. She don't know me now. Even when I dey talk for phone, she go know say na the more that they talk. Because you know now let she now get so me ya feel lassa. I not feel just leave and like that. So I want make she still grow for don't go since.
Why you give your husband money make you travel out?
Epa, I not give her. Even till now, self I never hear of her.
Okay, thief the money.
Yes, he take her because the money na 550,000. I never even hear of her.
I believe you because you before we can show you.
Epa, see if to say you be person where they hear Greek, we for the speak Greek because Sister Rita, what it make me feel vomit am. She felt the Greek before she dey hear Greek. So now she not to get chance to the day life.
Where are my Greece fans? Not be lie.
She not to the. She not to the.
Where are my Greek fans? Greek. You not say they watch me from Greece. Where are my Greece fans? Yeah. Because wetin me understand be say this woman wan go.
I wan go back.
You wan go work your pikin document, come take carry am.
Yes. Stop it.
Why visa? When you get documents.
No, na my baby. Me, I don't need any visa. Now na to buy ticket. She need visa.
Okay, to take Congress.
Yeah, she need
No,
to
me,
go.
I don't need.
Take her and come. She's
Okay.
right.
Who the year?
I don't need anything.
Who the year Greece for year Greece?
Greek.
If I dey hear Greek, I dey hear Greek. Yes, I agree to you, pa.
Vinezi. We not a joke for year, oh.
No, not be joke, pa. I dey hear Greek now.
Oh, you speak Greece for now. Maybe they hear you now.
Deborah.
Ne, calo Missy Mary. Calo Missy Mary. Calo Missy Mary.
Si, ça va?
Ça va, quoi?
Na French you dey speak for me, oh. Na French you dey speak, oh.
Et ça va not be France. Yeah.
Na French you dey speak, oh.
They don't have me where you are no man.
Na French now you dey speak.
C'est ça va. When you can French, you can Greek.
Deborah,
Larry, they say one of my junior colleagues where they come from Comoswo. They say just to donate for you.
No, Epa, that time, where you donate for me, na 350. I use that for medical bill. Epa, you know, say I can tell you for WhatsApp.
You not tell us say you want to go Greece.
Yes, Epa, that time, Epa, wait first. Rita fair give me 450 because I thought say road no good now for Nigeria. We said me I fair use this one, me I go come back. So when I go, I send a message. No say she dey go school of nursing. She dey busy. So now I just okay, me I just see leave am. I not come, but I send a message.
Be nice. You must have been speak Greek. You
no,
don't say ça va.
my girlfriend na Greek before.
Oh yeah, na mo speak.
Listen, origin is right.
Man, why be Nazi?
Don't they give her any money?
Now because if you may gift her, that's why they look for.
Instead of that ticket for her.
Don't know. I think say person when they hear Greek, they hear French. Now make
Because if you may gift her.
Yeah, when Greek you got it very
Oh yeah, go down. Bye bye. No sir. No sir. Well, they greet you, no sir.
You know, say na you do well.
Oh.
You need have a mundia. If not so nowhere, a woman not baby in Nigeria. The only way no here till I no here. The only reason when this woman doesn't stay for Nigeria, the only reason she can go back, no, because if she reach, madam, you need to go lie. Say na medical condition, I cause you.
Yes.
Your enemy,
yes.
or else they not let you enter.
Yes, for Greek, yes.
I would say I don't want to tell you be that one.
Yes, I know, brother. Thank you.
May I call that?
Yeah, I know. Thank you, sir. What is it now? Let me talk important. Go and sit down.
Okinebo, you dey hear Greek? You dey hear Greek? Oh, yeah, speak Greek with them. Oh, yeah, Deborah has a Greek in there.
Hello, calo Missy Mary. Hello? Qui dey here?
They hear you.
Hello? Calo Missy Mary. Why not they answer me now? Calo Missy Mary.
Oh, wait. Nebo. Oh, wait, you not go. Carlo, Missy Mary. Carlo, Missy. Everything, everyone will have your God there. So nobody they hear Greek for here. So I don't get Greek fans. What they bring Kinebo again now? Kinebo was a Greek now. How big you back?
Mama, where is that now?
So nobody can speak Greek for here.
Deborah,
Yes, calo Missy Mary. Kalaime, ime Sinafriki.
yeah, Apostle Leonard.
Ime Deborah.
Jennifer.
Okay, sister Jennifer.
Yeah.
Yasu Jennifer.
Apopo is it?
Ime Apo Afriki.
Okay. Good. Epa, what the show, because you can't stay here, I can keep selling, I can't stay here.
Okay, contact you, my sister.
Yeah,
God
she
go
knows she
bless her.
said, okay, sir.
At least I not get Greece fans. So meaning she be really from that country.
Yes, yes, I know where she from. I know where she stay, where she stay for Greece.
Hello, Jennifer.
Yeah,
Jennifer.
yes, sir.
I don't see stay keep selling.
Keep selling. Okay, okay, okay,
Yes, I don't see stay keep selling.
okay. May I
Eh?
take keep selling and congrats now stay for Greece that time.
Okay, now, okay, Pangratia. Now they say near your near. Calibrator,
Uh-huh.
near your near.
All right now. Yasu, Yasu, Deborah,
Yes,
Yasu.
yes, if can stop parapoli.
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay. Confirm.
my battery won't off. Oh,
Okay, you know what will happen? We go buy you the
Epa,
ticket.
me I go
Ready?
ask my battery won't off. Me I go charge am.
Now you they cause all these things so. Because I know the way they disturb me since all this while.
You want your
Today
off, so me
again,
I go ask 2 minutes. 2 minutes I go charge am.
no,
I'll
not be
charge am with solar
not be their
bag.
charge. Now what we don't know now say you know the lie. We go buy you the ticket.
Epa, wa be gwali go kere di many yari ba ike pa ma mo.
Ah, you say this money for feeding. Eh. So you know you get money for hand. Hello. Hello, Miss Mary. Hello, Miss Mary. No money. Hello. Yeah, I'm Carol Miss Mary Tori. I'm a Tori. Carol Miss Mary me go. Carol Miss Mary yeah me go. But yeah, no. Is it a good idea to donate? I said donate. To give her money for food. I will donate you anywhere or because they donate money for person you want eat. Is it a good idea? To me, yes, yes, okay, so how much now we want give her for food? No need for them to donate for that one. We will take for our foundation, take give her for food. How much? How much would I go like we give her from our foundation for food? Maybe if you don't reach ticket, maybe we fit do donation for that one. But how much? Okay, ticket only. Okay, people they say ticket only. Make she go find something do. Her baby no small again. Okay, they are taking for where is Iyaho safe? Iyaho. Woji. Mona bring Iyaho up for me. Where is Iyaho? Please, power tap.
Hello, investor, Domo.
Yo.
Oge no ata oge kwerita ban. E mata gele ano. E kwerita ka donate nene. Oye platform e kwerita and e kwerita wa kakabo. Yen vaka yen gbebe grease. So if you know ata ban, we ka ye platform e kwerita mato oge. If you me ga are ba vedere, we ga donate go ne. So na person we kwerita no we. So I when it's a matter of money when we confirm mo be querita. So beg be never Naija. Mete when you run SF for beg be never the woman. Not to see.
So more not donate money for Rambi, more not give her money for food.
You go donate for her. You know, say when I say 300K, you know, say leave pikin for us. Maybe you want do full stuff down
Yeah.
for the pikin. You understand? No, not easy because I can remember when I go Nigeria with my mom. We be say if something can't happen, I can't get to leave my pikin and all that. Before I come out, when my auntie borrow me money, that when I take buy ticket, I got to do shopping down for my boy because it was 3 years that time. I do shopping down. I still leave money down for my brother wife. At least before I go come reach Jamie, I will come systemize myself. I will come dey send money. I believe say 300K is okay for her. So any money they want donate for her, if you own her, then find ticket buy for her. For me, oh. So me, I don't see that situation where she did. I don't pass am before. Mama easy
I dey make
for
am
me.
gbèrè Naija. You might as well
Exactly.
agree. You
They
might as
are
well
saying
agree.
200, even
You no
that
go reach.
300 me they talk say no go reach
You no
oh.
go even reach anything.
E no go reach. Na money go take buy transport for Benin sef to Lagos sef. Forget, e no go even take flight. Na transport e wan take. How much for transport? E no easy.
Even
And she no get business wey she dey do. E no easy.
I remember that time when even Queen Rita come dey even quarrel with herself. They come even say donate for am. I remember when she go there. I think say she don come. I shock. Say she never she still dey Naija sef. E don tey. She don too tey for Naija. So investor now do her the no na give am abeg. She need am.
There you go. Yeah.
So because of say she get pikin now, so we'll give her 300,000 for food. Is that what you're telling me? Independent lady.
For yes, oh my brother, for me, I don't know. Ask the comment section and for me. I don't know. No say things they there for Nigeria. For me, oh.
So we'll give her 300,000 for food.
Yes.
No,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
give her 300,000 for food.
Okay.
This woman, they lied to me.
Okay.
Lady. They say one of my colleagues don't give her money before. Two of them. And she not dey admit to the real amount wey the other one give her. And let the other one match they talk. Yes, they say she's fond of doing it. Anytime she not get 1 naira again, she will say she want travel out. You don't give her the money. If we even buy the ticket for her now,
She no go
if
go.
we even carry and go give person, they will buy the ticket from her.
Yeah.
Until this woman tell us the truth, before we know how much we'll take help her or donate for her.
Okay.
Her story not touch me as I pity people rich.
Yeah. I understand.
Her story not touch me. Even the ticket only save. No, until she tell us the truth how much
Truth.
we don't collect for people platform.
Okay.
Because tomorrow
okay.
now, she
You're
fit
right.
go see like another person say, now only 200,000 you no get help her. Meanwhile, we use 1.2 million naira to help her. She's not saying the truth at all. She be like person wey no go fit ever even go Europe again. To me, oh.
And now I want to so it be like say she don't want to go Europe again or something.
She
They
just
go
dey
on
use all
somewhere.
those ones. All those she dey hear the
Exactly.
till they follow up.
Yeah.
So that people
You are
come
right.
know
So
say e really dey there before. Yes. Yeah, like I said, I dey Germany now. They
yeah,
don't
you
let
can't
me go.
speak German.
They don't let me go to know. If I come reach Nigeria, I will tell them say see where they dey now, see the train station. People will say not be lie, na real. And that's what the woman will be. And to me, if they sense I say the woman not go go again. For 4 years too big.
4
Hello.
years.
Good
No,
afternoon.
it's too big. It's too big. No, it's too big. It's too big. No.
Yes. If I were my mama.
Yes.
No, come up now. Come up. Come up.
I just drop you so make I go.
Okay.
My suggestion, right? If her sister she want buy, anybody can book ticket for her when the money is available. If she's really willing to travel.
She will go sell the ticket.
They better have no choice.
She will go sell the
She's living with
ticket.
her family.
She will go sell the
If one
ticket.
say she needs ticket, say she want travel back. She not going to say she still needs money for food. Waiting now. She's not supposed to take this foundation for God's sake. She needs the most important thing. She go talk, and anybody can buy that ticket for her if the money is available. If you have that money to buy ticket, it's no for me. Because just tell that one is back. You know? So that one will contribute to.
Thank you.
No worries.
Yes. Don't
Yeah,
always move
command.
today. So
Yeah.
no, not go swap for 419 quietly. Understand?
Yeah,
No, no, go
command.
Yes,
Exactly.
command already day. Because now two platforms she don't go. She don't go Querita, She does still go frank.
Go frank, yeah.
For the Kurita, she admits says how much Japan. For Frank, oh Nana, they say he never really tell me the truth. They say me he tell me the truth. Understand?
Yeah. Because he say for Franco they give her, he say for sickness. She not talk the money. He say na ticket they give her. Sorry, he say na for sickness they give her.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Badoski, you are right. I document first.
Maybe you not tell you the truth. Why you come for 50 when you did since how many years?
4 years ago.
You not pay pass for the paper. It's not possible. May I tell you the truth.
Even if you say the paper never expire, my lady independent. Even if you say the paper never expire, there is an advantage that if you even still send her the money, she not go still go Greece.
She know go Greece. Yeah, not true.
She be like person this man. She not want go Europe again.
No, I think no, again, I don't understand because I think say it never reach like maybe a year something. Because that 4 years too big, 4 years too big, no fake. 4 years too big. You just stay in Nigeria for 4 years. Whose document you get? Not be passport you get, to not be Greece passport, so no, 4 years too big.
No, my document.
No. Yeah, no, it's not possible. Okay, somebody said they deport her. Well, it can be possible.
Hello,
Pa.
Yeah.
I don't reach us at the charger.
Madam.
I hear everything.
They deport you.
I'm talking the person they contribute.
They deport you.
I know they lie. I not say I go to platform. I not lie say I don't go to platform. The first one. Now this or now first go. Now say since now woman to woman. Now Greek. She says it. Now she comes to now say I won't go Abuja. She comes. They don't donate 450,000. She send me a first now to go Abuja first come back. Where I come back. Where I come to call her. She did busy for school. That time they do exam. Now I can't go on the platform. And now let 350,000. That 350,000 now food that is at because you give never you don't sit here where I sit there. You don't sit here, not be say why I don't want to go back again. They're not in Nigeria. Why I don't want to go back?
Madam, how much they donate? How much they donate for you for?
Where I say I need food or money for food, I still tell you in the money where say me I complain. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want debt here and there. I not gonna lie. See, me they say Mona buy me the ticket. When I want Mona hold the money, Mona buy me the ticket. That was no problem. That was already settled. But me here I came back in I will say, I send my baby picture. Honestly, I should not feel do one for TikTok. Y'all send a baby, y'all send a boy. What I want life for? They don't give them in Nigeria. You don't buy.
So you not get money now to feed. You not get money now to feed.
Do for Abuja, we dey give her that money. Ask her wetin she go do for Abuja, where they give her that money.
What you go do for Abuja? Where are Abuja? Where are Abuja?
I don't want me to talk my family matter for social media. Now God, that you save me. Many people will say they'll see Nigeria, they'll see that. Now God save me. I know what I go through, so not be everything now they talk.
Madam, what you go do for?
Me have a big call where it's the best story me. Be so now, not be so.
Madam, what you go do? Madam, what you go do for Abuja? Where you go pay 450,000?
I know this one. Oh yeah, I hear we don't but we cannot work out. Now, because they pay me say, oh, you're almost banning me. Unless I don't feel bad. They pay me. That's okay. Me assist.
Why you go do visa for your
she know me well. I'm gonna do more. But if I call her now, she don't know who they talk. Now, if I call her for phone, she knows say na me. She don't know my voice. I don't feel common like that. This one is one long. If I saw more pan or somebody with me, and if your mama, don't be so now. Don't be so. People say get me now you now we said if you bonoma I get it na the agree government at Lucy it's only €50 all travel.
Madam.
On my visa I control me madam. You know nobody
Madam, wait. Madam, wait. Now me cut your call, madam, wait. Una don't to do me for year. Wa wo egbe. Wa wo wa yo gbe ne. Wa wo wa yo gbe ne o. Don't feel entitled because not a sense entitlement for your body. If you feel entitled, you lose everything. You go on other people's platform. Now people will they appreciate. Now they help for you. Don't feel entitled like maybe we must say we must help you. Don't feel entitled.
Hello.
You are feeling so entitled.
You know where he has a many. Walla will go. Walla. Not be me call you this ceremony. Una woman. Walla, it's sorry. He had to hear in one moment. So
Now ticket you need. Now ticket you need have been a food.
Eh?
Now ticket you need have been a food.
My ticket and food. I get baby for hand.
Okay, how much now?
I get baby for hand. Walla, sister, you got go back there. He had the ticket. He had to get me. Walla, if I have send a picture me, Babana. Walla. If then he said they didn't make call. Later, I will have a document when me I send them.
Madam. What do you call the eats is there? What do you call the eats is there? What do you call the feed your pickings is there? Before this afternoon, where you feed your what do you call the feed your pickings is there? What do I call the eats?
A supermarket no chicken because Nina beer, money now what day so all your credit in me. So I was send 30,000.
So the supermarket.
He had to send 40,000.
So the super wait now, madam, wait now. Wait now, the supermarket will near you. You don't buy things on credit for their hand.
Yes.
How much you don't buy? How much? How much you
like 12,000.
Madam. 12,000 naira. Now you owe us debt.
Yes.
Now you say the owe money. You not the owe people money now. 12,000 naira.
I know the owe, but I can need the it's loud.
Okay.
At least he get power. Can you
wait till the supermarket. Wait till the supermarket wait for the old people.
Even where it other go the
wait till you tell Frank before Frank donate the money for you. Wait till you tell Frank before Frank donate that money for you. That time
I say I won't go. That's like the money where they will spend now. Number, baby papa.
You tell her say you want go. So the money where Frank donate for you, now your baby papa thief.
No. The one where me get. Not the one where give me. The one where if Frank give me, that one I tell you something. Now that we call the for feeding.
Okay, after you tell Frank say you want travel at the end of the day, the 350K will donate for you. Where you supposed to keep go look for join. Now you go to the eat.
If I tell you, I tell you now, where to make me because no money for money. And now I don't already make sure say we are must pay. I don't already get we are must pay. You don't get it. Not saying I don't the important part. Yes, we are must pay.
Okay, wait till you tell Frank before Frank give you money. Wait till you tell Frank. Wait till you tell Frank before Frank give you money that time.
I tell her say I need for the money and I want to come out. On is 340. I don't know whether the sleep see them for me. I said I give you 346,000.
But you said you use it for hospital bill before now, and now you say you use it for.
I feel sick now. It's not be everything I go use now. Not be everything. I say they treat myself. If I'm in Nigeria, I have a mosquito. And let you my BSF. If I allow. I know why they ask me this question. You are right. La will go. He told me. A will make a maybe when he may make back.
Yeah.
They say they deport her.
Ipala, even if you say yari, my.
I thought just now. What you see here? They say
They
they
deport
deport her.
her.
Even a card.
Here we are
No,
deporting there.
she not greet all true.
Madam,
Say they deport her.
madam. They say they deport
She not
you.
greet all true.
When my time I made me canary go no go anywhere. Where if you tell me the truth, just now say they deport you.
And
Wait,
na millions if I
wait,
na millions
wait. Madam, Deborah, wait. If you tell me the truth now, say they deport you, I'll give you 2 million naira.
If I no get, you want me me ya vebo. Want me me osageduwa.
No use your pikin, use yourself. Mona stop using your using. You know they use your pikin. Mona know they use your children. Use yourself.
Why you call they use your?
Why they use your pikin?
Why you call they?
Don't show your document.
Use your pikin.
Why you call they use your pikin today?
You don't show your document.
No, you say you want said and give it. No get here.
Yeah, if I miss it, not the document sent for you.
Conditional here, if I expect it.
May you use your head. Use your head. Take swear for.
I know Jim, she send her for you. Miss it not send for you.
Okay, your family members. Your family members they beat you. Your family members they beat you.
Yes, over. I said yes. No, I said, okay, the place where my house is not the same. I said yes. Who be? Oh, man, I had the metro in school. Oh, man, they want to meet that.
They speak pidgin English now. Oh, madam.
I think she get house for Nigeria now.
Oh.
Hey, no get. Tell me send you the document. Tell me send you the document.
Oh, man, send me the document. Send me the document.
Exactly.
Send me the document. Now,
May you send us giving her hormonal control and beg.
send me the document. Send that for me. Yeah. Send that for me. Send that for me. My goodness.
It is well. Now why no get the Lord is your strength. More wisdom. It's not easy. It's not easy. Make a
Guess you will donate money for which day? Not be Greece deport.
Hello.
On my head.
who for Greece.
Hello.
Yeah, who for Greece.
Eh.
Okay, the deport person for Greece. Who be that one?
Yes, now the deport the man go Mali. We help him.
Okay, that man will go marry. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Not true. Not true. Yeah, they deport. No, yeah, you know why I can't do that? Because he say 4 years, now he stay for Nigeria. Now that one can't mean this thing can't do like surprise
For
him 4 years.
4 years. Now she declares she won't go back.
Because if you were Italian Kata Sojourner, you know if you stay 4 years, they stay 4 years. Now 1 year now. Let me think this is surprising. 6 years.
6 years.
Oh, she said 4 years now. No. Yeah, I said I husband, I go focus on my working. Yeah, I be like say you dey sleep, your voice you're low. Where my dey say money? Where dey say money?
Thank you. To go back. Thank you, Jerry. Now, so me, I not feel remorse around. Me, where the pity people, me, my pity on now. She have this spirit of entitlement.
Now, the one buy a ticket of 1.2 million naira. You are still asking for food.
Yeah, you are still asking for food.
Now, who does that? My bro, it is. I the best when she talks. I don't the best woman because I just rubbish. Someone don't give you 1.2 million naira when you don't keep it. You ask for food again. You know, it don't make any sense now.
Be what woman? Where's see, bros? Where's see, Baba?
For my opinion, I know my own disability.
Where's see? Thank you. What do you hold the document? Yes. Is there any other person that have anything to say? If you know you have anything to say, please come up because later on a hot topic. Later on a hot topic. If you have anything else to say now, come up. That would be a problem.
If the woman send you her documents and they confirm it's true, I will send her 200,000.
No game at all.
Say you send her 200,000.
If you confirm the document says she's true, it's true, I will give her 200,000 right away.
Be nice.
Yes, for Nigeria.
I don't follow you joke like this before.
You shall be joke where sha.
I dey joke, but this woman story they touch me. Me, I dey believe it's true.
That's why they use to do your yeses.
No,
they speak.
If I dey joke, if I sabi joke, I dey like joke well, but this one where she dey talk, this her story they touch me.
You they say Sava.
Yeah, her story they touch me. Me, I believe it's true. Maybe she go home with her husband. Her husband can't go out for Nigeria, can't come out. Now wait till they think be that. All her story, me I believe it's true. She they talk, Epa.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hey, come madam.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Yes.
You know this very well. You say this woman say he married Igbo. There's a court marriage because of the pikin. So for that people reason, Igbo don't go tell they say na fake marriage, now they do. That document not exist again.
That make the way to me.
Ask anybody now. You know there exist again, my brother. A document in any winner. Any winner.
Okay, more fair here from.
Are you full?
Fair
Okay. So you cannot hold your chicken. Hold it with your hand. Hold it, take. Hold it with your hand.
Good afternoon.
Give her 10 years. Very, very possible.
Yes.
And you know, say Greek now one country where they say get the way things good or say or something like that. So it could be that she can stay in Nigeria for 4 years. But my only fear is that let that her contract marriage not backfire. Do you understand the logo? Because it's true that she can stay and it's true that she can have 10 years document. Very true.
Yeah,
If not, you she married. Very, very true.
I get one of my friends we get
talk
10
one by
years
one.
now.
Because me, I stay Greece, I stay Kipseli, I stay Partition, I stay Galaxy. I know a lot for Athens where I stay Athens, I stay Thessaloniki. So I know Greece very well. So the only thing you do is not give her back. Make she send you a document. You verify and say that document still dey valid. Before you come know, say me we donate for her for ticket, you understand, sir? Because I believe she's not lying, but that document will be the one to tell you the truth.
All right.
Epa, Domosa.
Yes.
Wetin I want talk be say, wetin this sister truth teller talk just now. Now the documents, now will take know whether na true she dey talk or not. But my own suggestion in regards to, oh, she need food, she dey hungry.
When I wait to, she don't send me the document to.
Okay.
When I wait to. Now send that for me. Yeah, the document will go expire for on the 26th of July. Sorry. The document will go expire on the 16th of June 2027. She just send me her passport and everything. So now I cannot believe that she's telling the truth. But we will choose one, madam.
Epa, now that one I been want talk.
You not fit tell me say you dey Nigeria for 4 good years. Women for Nigeria, even some women as young as their child for like 1 year, they don't enter hustling spirit. They hustle, make their feed, they feed. You not fit tell me say you stay Nigeria for 4 years. Say you not fit constantly hustle till they feed yourself and baby. If she's talking about, oh, make we buy her ticket, Epa, I go say okay, make all of us join hands together, buy her ticket. But for that food matter, Epa, she not fit tell me say she not come fit see, even if na tomato she want they sell for outside or pepper, say she fit take the feed herself and her baby. Epa, this foundation thing, in as much as say we get emotions, we dey pity for people, but mostly days you use head. Now, so she either choose one. If na food she want, we do food for her. If na ticket she want, she do ticket. She not fit say she not fit still sell pepper, tomatoes, say they feed herself. Now that one I want contribute, Epa. Thank
Exactly.
you.
God bless you.
If I should just say in the document.
I just said that for you at home. Now confirm, na truth. Now read documents. Now confirm. Just said that for you.
If this woman no say make they give her money for this
Guys,
ticket.
you know say you promised her 200
If I
yesterday.
wait, they come. I never
No,
go
you
down.
no go forget.
This woman no say make they give her money for ticket. This woman say buy me ticket or hold the money. If you want come out, help me buy the ticket. You
Yeah.
understand? Okay, your fans now they're against the food. Okay, now I'm not contributing for the ticket. You know I take collect money, but for the food matter, I will give her 200,000 before I go down here. I will give it to her. Carry her come up here. I give her 200,000.
Be nice. Wait first. Wait. You want to do for food. Abi?
Yes.
My God will bless you. Wait. Be nice. Wait. Oh. Everything wey the woman dey tell na truth. Everything, I don't see the woman document. Everything the woman dey tell na truth. Yes, Mr. You fit talk.
Epa, Domo again, I greet you. I beg, like I said before, anybody will overstay for Nigeria when they get documents, they can easily go back. The best way to go back is to put on for medical reason. When people travel for more for country where they say go Nigeria, either medical reason or say maybe go for like say maybe he go back country for study, you can easily go back. And again, wetin I don't understand, sha, this woman come say he come for ticket. You come for ticket. They say they want buy ticket for you. You're thinking like the way we say the woman say talk now when we say okay we fit buy a ticket, Madam Joy, mute your side, I beg. The way we say the woman say talk now, not be like say that Madam Joy, mute your side. That woman already come out this month, no next month. I think if it makes sense, say maybe that if this woman really want to go back Nigeria, maybe say if we buy a ticket today, make she ready to come on next week. I not really who want travel, who they find money where want to travel, go back country where they come, like this very woman. If you see person who want buy a ticket, she should be able to leave ASAP. Not be say maybe you say you need like 1 month or 2 months to take put yourself together. If you really need that much time to put yourself together, why not just put yourself together first? Then when you're ready to move, then come for the help. Who saying want travel? You still come. But I'm not vex for this one. Oh, don't say this situation this sad. You say may they buy you ticket. You see they tell people when want buy you ticket, may they still give you food where you want eat till you come out for next month or next 2, 3 or 4 months.
When you want come out?
It doesn't add up.
Madam,
You see that?
why you not wait before after Easter before you come?
Make she shoot, madam, must you do Easter for Nigeria?
I won't buy and down. I won't buy and down.
Madam, if we see tickets and one buy for you next week, if you really want to come out, may you come out.
Must you do Easter? Must you do Easter for Nigeria, madam?
You know add up to me, oh, that they give us time, say we want to come out. I don't
No,
talk that one, man.
Easter, I just
Why you go? I don't want to wait to. Why you go decide? Madam, you dey provoke me. I fit change am now. Say I no wan help you again. You say you dey. You are deciding to leave after Easter. You don't have the money to leave after Easter. What kind of entitlement is this? You want decide to do Easter for Nigeria first before you go back to Europe. I not get money to take go back to Europe and they decide to stay for Easter. Why not go next week? More do the contribution for you now. Maybe we know how much you feel realize.
Okay, maybe after Easter I will call sick for the end.
Oh, madam, why they use me the play now? Which one be after Easter? You call sick for the end. That simply means it's not important to you.
I won't buy and down. Whether I go don't come down, I won't buy and down because they go up and down.
Okay.
Now you go buy.
Okay, don't be lie. Okay. You won't buy and down. Now the way me where. Okay. Okay. No sir. Most still take it from us.
But this woman that you say after Easter,
Sir,
you
please,
come
can I just contribute quickly, please, sir?
Hold on, wait.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody.
After Nosana, me they talk. Wait, make it talk finish.
Madam, it's okay. I will just go down now.
Don't
Okay,
speak.
because he said
Don't speak.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Epadomo, sir. The thing is, please, to kudos to all the women that left their children back home. You guys still understand this lady. If she's really telling the truth, she wants to celebrate the Easter with her daughter before leaving her behind, because she's coming here to come and arrange things for her daughter. Okay, and good and fine. As Nai said, he's going to send her 200,000 for feeding. Good. And for the ticket, we're going to buy the ticket for her. Sir, not only sending a picture of your documents, you have to make a video to know that, because if she's deported, they're not going to deport her with the ticket now, with her document, excuse me. She have to make a video and say, this is my document, and show it to you. We go buy her the ticket. No, is it photo or video?
No, plastic document, 10 years.
No, she have to hold it. She have to hold it and show it to you on video. To know that. Yes.
My name is written on it.
It doesn't matter. You have to hold it, because there is no way they're going to deport you with your document.
Hold them for hand. Like that. Do video send for me.
So if she says she's going to travel after Easter, Mook will let her. Makes her nice. Give her the 200K for the feeding money.
If you want to travel after Easter, I will not get it for her.
No.
If you want to travel after Easter, I will not get it for her.
My queen, if she want to travel after Easter, now stay our own good, so the ticket will cheap. Okay, sir.
Madam, you hear me? Hello. You go do video of your part. Do it just send me your document just now? Yes, now your name day. Now you go do video now. You the video of face they show me a patient, this document, a patient, passport.
Okay, me I do video, me I will show a patient.
Hey, you said that for me.
No problem. I will see the charge for solar, no problem.
No, not be you snap for me just now.
No problem for that one.
Not be you snap.
No problem for that one.
Hello, Adamio. Not be you snap for me just now. Just they do video now. They send that for me.
No, you don't see her.
No, I said when you do video. Do video.
Okay. Me I do video because the phone still dey up and they charge them.
Oh, you know what you do. You know what you do for me.
Then you put her for video.
My man not even carry that.
They do the video now.
My man not even carry that video again. I want to call you for video. Maybe they show me the document. Yeah,
oh, yeah, okay, you call me.
May I call you? May I call you for video? No, your request. The request. Call all your video, madam. May I put this thing for screen record?
Oh my God. You don't see me?
For where? I know they see you.
I will take one.
Make them show you how to call.
If I end the call, call her for video. End that call her.
Oh dear madam, you want your video direct? Click.
If I just see.
Very well, they see you.
You don't see me?
Yes.
See her.
Okay, for hand.
You see her?
Yes.
You see her?
Raise her way. Raise her way.
You should be out to the face.
See her? You can see her?
Yes.
Yeah. This one I've been a year way expired.
Open her. Open her. Yes. You know why we ask you this question? May we for not go for
no problem. Yes,
and...
but not be bad thing you do. I'm not here to no my else will not be bad thing. You go the mark one, not be bad thing. Okay, you see her. You see her. Okay.
Where's he?
Oh my leave it to. Oh my come.
My fine girl. Yes. Yeah, no sir, wait to the thing where this woman show me. I screen recorded everything and it's true. I record them everything was true, confirmed. Now I had to help her now we'll call them. She don't pass on the test.
Already make she come.
Make she come, we'll buy the tickets.
If you say make
Okay,
travel. I dey come on and wait 1 minute. On and wait. Before you start, if I ticket at the airport, you don't need
to 1.2. Now lucky, if it was okay, may take.
No, if I see the best way. May this woman give us date now when she want to come out. We'll buy the ticket ahead. It will be cheaper then.
Exactly.
May she give us date when she want to come out.
And madam, wait to my people now they tell us now say, may you give us the date when you want to come out for Nigeria for that after Easter. May we buy her for you.
When I don't ready, I will tell you. Walk here, book me.
I don't want to leave this to my not serious. You understand? You keep money for grant.
You go there that time, madam.
When you already go
tell us now, give us date.
And then I make you the ask now say. No, may you leave that one. You are not confusing us. May you tell us the date now. May we do the donation for you now. May you tell us the date when you want to come out after Easter.
That date.
So we will buy her for grant so that not be say after Easter you can't call me. If you take a call, I will call. You know they consider for
us. I never know the actual time. Nothing after Easter.
But when she know the other time, they come back.
Madam, if you don't know the actual time today, don't.
This woman, she not ready to do. I think she's stressed.
But you know what you do.
She's not stressed. Stressed in the
No. If you not fit call today, I don't want you to disturb me. If you not fit, I tell me all. We don't want to give you the money for her. They listen, madam. No, madam, you not go fit tell us. A beggar has no choice. I tell me all. If you not tell us the date now, maybe a year more do this donation. I go cut this call. I go block you. You no finish me again for life. If you not ready, may you go by yourself to look for the money. May you take by your ticket. May you go your grease quietly. Because we now not go come here again, go deliberate on this particular matter. If you know what the date come aside, you fit tell me you fit write the date for me. I will say I give no sir. I will say I give my PA. We go know. If you don't want me, everybody know. Me suppose know. No sir supposed to know because no sir get the ticket in way.
Me I check today date. Me I check. If I already ticket in.
So then 11th of March.
Only by the Naija because.
Madam,
we don't.
No, first talk about ticket first. Who drop Musa? Why dropping Musa?
Okay. No. I check the date.
Just check the date. This will not be the platform where they go before. We get international people here.
If I know full stop for this woman.
You know
it's more stress about full stop.
If I no give, I don't understand. This woman now, she dey try tell you now say she dey okay, because who not dey okay? If you tell her say you buy a ticket tomorrow to go back to where she dey stay, you go chest her, go dey happy. But the fact that she does not have, the fact that she does not have idea of when she go out, if she dey okay, I don't know how now dey stress myself. Case close, may they go think maybe a better go away. What's here?
Yeah, no, and last year,
when I go to them, I'm gonna spend my money. Wako.
Yeah, no, I bet no verse. If lastly, waiting I want drop. You understand? On our way they say the free set ticket. To sell tickets is just better than buying a new ticket. Now, when you buy like all those business class and some kind ticket will be say maybe you go put out like say if you want change the date, if you want change the name, especially to change the name for ticket, flight tickets, you rather just go buy new tickets because you know it very expensive. Pass say you want buy new tickets. But if you want to make changes for your name, maybe you make error. You suppose write any, you can't go write E. Now that one they very easy. But say maybe on a buy ticket for Nosa, then I go say I want to send out to a no game. May no game go remove Nosa, can't go put your name. New ticket, she pass am. So if you don't know now, know now what you say me I yours now one of the maybe come up.
But I don't start aside that one all of us now traveler. If you call that airline say you don't want to travel again, they can remove every 20% and refund you the money too.
Hold on, that's if now she buy the ticket, if now we buy them, they'll give us back.
No, it's not true. If she show the passport, all details, they can refund.
Yeah, no, wait. Hold on. Yeah, no. If I want buy ticket for you, let them be saying your details there. If now me buy with my email address and my telephone number.
Opa, that's not true. If I know, Branosa, you know, if you buy ticket for me, now my name, now my surname, everything, like the date of birth, like the yes or no. So if I am calling the agent, if I am going to the embassy, no matter I don't change ticket for Murtala Mohammed. If you go the Air France, you go meet Air France direct for cancer. Tell the Air France people say you don't want it, they refund.
Yeah, no, wait. Let me explain this thing to you. Okay. I want to make you understand something before I come out.
Okay. Which kind you might be with this one?
Wait. Oh, my body.
No, sir. If this woman not fit talk for this live stream, I swear, if I come back later, I'll block her. The truth is what telling you now.
If I because of how they wait to make bigger up now, I give her a day break or a day work like this. Now break a day.
Wait, my brother. I see my brother. You want a person? You tell us the time what you help
No, me I not get 50 couples to drop. So I don't need that now.
Yeah. You see, wait here, more not vessel. I want to bring one option. When I say this woman here with my back soon, I be more not vessel. I want to talk something. I don't want me to help this woman again. Like we both the ticket, both food, at least make they go there and say we'll be bad person. The one who they do is there. Nobody praise us. If this one they want to tell us I be bad person, me will tell us will be bad person. This woman will not help her again. Like we, my own suggestion. Will not help her again.
Give your money at it. At a woman, we life you well. Once you reach time where you want to end the life, end them. If this woman not call back before you end the life, before you end and you talk and say that woman case closed, Mo will take that gamble like that. If she call back why things they go on, then we can as well just raise the funds for her.
If she not go back, my case don't close, they go another topic. She not be God or they wait for her to take bigger. They wait for her.
I don't know. It tell me if it's sorry there. Yeah, I know. You see that one where you talk now. Now when you go use cash, go give agent, make agent, they buy tickets.
I have used what I tell you now. I don't do one so many times. So
okay.
People they say that
may I tell you the rules of tickets.
If I know what more is the matter,
Wait.
Do they hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
If I beg, I don't say you won't help me. Let me quickly shout out begging. Me I donate all the another one when I don't ready, I will say make me buy it. Now I'm going to buy a beg.
That time so if you donate the money now, for example, say you can't donate money now. You can't have which money is going to make person to return?
WhatsApp because negative my WhatsApp now. If I allow just say
madam, you never ready, you don't need it. Madam, you not ready. Madam, you not ready, you don't need it. Madam, you not ready, you don't need help. Bye. Not come. Case closed. This woman does not need help. Let me block her immediately.
If I don't know say this woman need this help, she want travel. If you tell her say you want buy ticket for her next week, make it they go where they go. She go
no, what I talk
She
never ready.
Pity people for you. She be like me they pity people for you. All the time I say, I beg now. May we help her now. This woman, nobody should help. I don't want to get 200.